Welcome to the Destination Perfect channel, where we take you on virtual tours to the most fascinating places around the world. Today, we're setting our sights on the vibrant city of Brussels, a treasure trove of culture, history, and gastronomic delights. From grand palaces to iconic statues, and from comic strips to unique breweries, Brussels offers a myriad of experiences waiting to be explored. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey to explore Brussels. Starting our tour, we have the iconic Grand Place. This majestic square stands as a testament to Brussels' rich past and vibrant present. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Grand Place is the beating heart of the city, pulsating with life and culture at every turn. The architecture of the Grand Place is a feast for the eyes. A magnificent blend of Gothic, Baroque, and Louis XIV styles, the buildings that surround the square are a testament to the city's diverse architectural heritage. The town hall, with its intricate facade and towering spire, is a standout. Its walls whisper tales of the city's history, each stone a silent witness to the passage of time. But it's not just the architecture that captivates. The Grand Place's history is equally fascinating. From its origins as a market in the 10th century, it has witnessed countless events that have shaped the city. It has been a place of celebration, a stage for political dramas, and even a battleground. Today, it hosts the famous flower carpet event every 2 years, a vibrant display of botanical artistry that draws crowds from around the world. The Grand Place is more than just a square. It is the city's living room, a place where locals and visitors alike come to marvel at its beauty, soak in its atmosphere, and create memories. A visit to Brussels would be incomplete without stopping by the Grand Place. Next on our list is the treasure trove of art, the Royal Museums of Fine Arts of Belgium. This magnificent institution is home to over 20,000 drawings, sculptures, and paintings spanning from the early 15th century to the present. As you wander through its grand halls, you'll come face to face with works from renowned artists like Bruegel, Rubens, Jordaens, and Van Dyck, each piece a testament to the creative genius that has flourished in this land. The museum is a must-visit for art lovers and history buffs alike, offering a deep dive into Belgium's rich artistic heritage. Here, the stories of the past are told not in words but in brushstrokes, chisel marks, and the silent gazes of painted eyes. Whether you're a seasoned art connoisseur or a curious novice, you'll find something to captivate your senses and spark your imagination. From the masterful realism of the old masters to the bold strokes of modern and contemporary art, the Royal Museums of Fine Arts is a testament to Brussels' rich artistic culture and history. So take a moment to soak in the beauty and let the art speak to you. After all, art is a language that transcends borders and time, and here in Brussels, it's a language that's spoken with passion and pride. Now let's shift gears and head over to the Atomium. A symbol of Brussels and Belgium, the Atomium is one of the most unique architectural structures in the world. Its design is a testament to the scientific progress of the mid-20th century, representing an iron crystal magnified 165 billion times. The Atomium was initially constructed for the 1958 World Fair, known as Expo 58, a global exhibition that celebrated human ingenuity and technological advancements. The structure's purpose was to embody the spirit of this scientific optimism, and even today, it stands as a beacon showcasing the potential of human innovation. The Atomium is not just a marvel to look at from the outside, but also a delight to explore within. It consists of 9 interconnected spheres, which house exhibitions and a restaurant. However, the real draw is the panoramic view of the city from its top sphere. It provides a stunning vista of Brussels, offering a bird's-eye view of the city's beautiful landscape. From its conception to the present day, the Atomium has fascinated and inspired visitors with its futuristic design and the breathtaking views it offers. It serves as a reminder of a time when the world was looking forward to the future with hope and excitement. The Atomium truly is a marvel of modern architecture. If you're enjoying this tour of Brussels so far, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Destination Perfect channel for more travel videos like this. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring you more exciting destinations. Now let's continue our journey through Brussels. Moving on, we reach the Regal Royal Palace. This majestic structure, steeped in history, stands as a testament to Belgium's royal heritage. The palace was constructed in the late 18th century, during an era of grand architectural feats. Over the centuries, it has been the residence of dukes, archdukes, kings, and queens, each leaving their mark on its grandeur. A step inside the royal palace is akin to stepping into the pages of a history book. Each room tells a different chapter of Belgium's past, from the grand throne room adorned with lush velvet drapes and intricate gold detailing, to the White Room, a marvel of neoclassical design. If walls could talk, these would tell tales of royal banquets, diplomatic receptions, and whispered court intrigues. The royal palace isn't just a historical monument, it's the heart of the Belgian monarchy. Even though the royal family currently resides in the Palace of Laeken, the Royal Palace of Brussels is where the king carries out his duties as head of state. Every summer, the palace opens its doors to the public, offering a glimpse into the life of the monarchy. The royal palace is more than a building, it's a symbol of the nation's past, present, and future. Its stunning interiors, rich history, and continued significance make it a must-visit destination in Brussels. The royal palace is a grand display of Brussels' royal heritage. Next, we dive into the colorful world of the Belgian Comic Strip Center. Nestled in the heart of Brussels, this unique museum is a vibrant tribute to the rich history and contemporary creativity of Belgian comic art. Housed in a stunning Art Nouveau building designed by the celebrated architect Victor Horta, the Belgian Comic Strip Center is more than just a museum. It's a celebration of imagination and storytelling. With an extensive collection that spans decades, the center pays homage to Belgian comic strip pioneers like Hergé, the creator of Tintin, and Peyo, the mastermind behind the Smurfs. These iconic characters, along with many others, have left an indelible mark on the world of comics and continue to inspire generations. But the Belgian Comic Strip Center is not just about the past. It's also dedicated to promoting new talent, showcasing the work of contemporary artists and writers who are pushing the boundaries of comic art. Through exhibitions, workshops, and events, the center fosters a dynamic community of creators and enthusiasts, making it a hub of creativity and innovation. And it's not just the comic strips that are worth admiring. The building itself is a work of art. From the grand entrance hall to the intricate stained glass windows, every nook and cranny is a testament to Horta's architectural genius. For comic fans and art lovers alike, the Belgian Comic Strip Center is a must-visit. Now let's quench our thirst at the Cantillon Brewery. A journey through Brussels would be incomplete without a pilgrimage to this legendary brewery. Born in the late 19th century, Cantillon Brewery has been a staple of Brussels' beer scene for well over 100 years. The magic of Cantillon lies not just in its storied history, but also its unwavering dedication to traditional brewing methods. Here, beer is made, just like it was in the good old days, using spontaneous fermentation, a process that's as unpredictable as it is fascinating. It's like stepping back in time, with every sip telling a tale of age-old brewing techniques. But what about the beer, you ask? Cantillon's brews are a symphony of flavors, as varied as they are delightful. From the tart, fruity notes of their iconic gueuse, to the rich, complex layers of the lambic beers, every glass is an adventure. And let's not forget the Kriek, a cherry-infused delight that's as refreshing as it is unique. These beers aren't just beverages, they're an experience, a testament to the art of brewing. Cantillon Brewery is more than just a brewery, it's a living museum, a tribute to a time-honored tradition, and a testament to the enduring appeal of quality beer. It's a place where every visitor is invited to immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of Belgian brewing culture. Cantillon Brewery is a haven for beer enthusiasts. Next, we shrink down to explore Mini Europe. Nestled at the foot of the Atomium in Brussels, Mini Europe is a fascinating journey through the continent, but in miniature form. Imagine walking through a park where you can see the Eiffel Tower, the Colosseum, and the Acropolis all within a few steps of each other. That's exactly what you get at Mini Europe, a unique park that has painstakingly recreated some of Europe's most iconic landmarks at a scale of 1 to 25. These aren't just simple models, though. They're detailed replicas that capture the essence of each structure, from the color of the stones in the Roman Colosseum to the intricate details of London's Big Ben. Each model is a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of the artists and engineers who have worked to recreate these structures in miniature form. But Mini Europe is more than just a collection of models. It's an educational journey through the history, culture, and architecture of Europe. Each model is accompanied by a plaque that provides interesting facts and information about the landmark and its significance in European history. It's a great way to learn about the continent and its diverse cultures in a fun and engaging way. So if you're in Brussels and want to take a quick tour of Europe without leaving the city, Mini Europe is the perfect place to visit. Mini Europe offers a whirlwind tour of Europe in a single visit. Finally, we wind down our tour at the serene royal greenhouses of Laeken. This architectural masterpiece, a collection of dome-shaped structures, is more than just a greenhouse. It's a testament to Belgium's love for botany, housing an array of exotic plants and flowers that are truly a sight to behold. Each dome is a microcosm of different climates, nurturing a diverse range of flora. From towering palm trees to delicate orchids, the greenhouses showcase the beauty of nature in all its forms. Amidst the greenery, you'll find some rare species that are a testament to the careful preservation work done here. The design of the greenhouses is equally stunning. The structures, made entirely of glass and iron, allow sunlight to filter in, creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere. As you walk through the interconnected domes, you'll be struck by the harmony of man-made design meeting natural beauty. The Royal Greenhouses of Laeken opens its doors to the public only for a few weeks every spring. This limited access adds to the allure of the greenhouse, making each visit feel special and exclusive. The greenhouses, with their tranquil ambiance, offer the perfect respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. As you wander through the paths lined with lush greenery, you can't help but feel a sense of calm wash over you. The Royal Greenhouses of Laeken is the perfect place to wrap up our tour, leaving us with a sense of tranquility and wonder. And that wraps up our tour of the top 10 places to visit in Brussels. We've strolled through the grandeur of the Grand Place, chuckled at the quirky charm of Mannequin Piss, and marveled at the futuristic architecture of the Atomium. We've taken in the regal splendor of the Royal Palace, browsed the vivid panels at the Belgian Comic Strip Center, and savored the authentic taste of Belgium at the Cantillon Brewery. We've also shrunk down to size at Mini Europe and experienced the botanical wonder of the Royal Greenhouses of Laeken. Each of these destinations offers a unique slice of Brussels, a city that's as multifaceted as it is unforgettable. But remember, our list is just a starting point. Your own adventure awaits, and it's up to you to make it as unique and memorable as you are. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, a foodie, or just someone who loves to explore new places, Brussels has something for you. So go ahead. Pack your bags, lace up your walking shoes, and experience these wonders for yourself. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, keep exploring with Destination Perfect.